everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. Indian Oil Corporation Limited is hiring engineers or officers and graduate apprentice engineers through GATE 2021 scope. The entire recruitment process will take place online. After verifying eligible candidates, the shortlisted ones will be screened through group discussions, group tasks and personal interview. Candidates who have qualified the GATE 2021 exam in chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation engineering and mechanical engineering can apply for the post of engineers or officers. Additionally, a few candidates would also be selected from above disciplines except instrumentation engineering as graduate apprentice engineers. Last date for applying is July 26, 2021. Application form will be available in the website www.iucl.com. Upper age limit is 26 years as on 30th June 2021 for general candidates. Relaxation in age limit will be available depending on the reservation category. Before applying online, go to their website and download their detailed notification PDF. Go through this to check your eligibility. The recruitment process is given in detail in it. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel for more job notifications. Thank you.